Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the best 2K26 Cronus Zen script called SwishLabs 2.0 that you can get right now. It is the most talked about script, and everyone even on Reddit is saying how amazing the script is. This script comes with many amazing features that other scripts do not have, such as auto-green, AI tempo, auto defense, dribble combos, quick stop, button rhythm, and so much more. This script even has AI dunking, so you can time your dunks perfectly as well. Not only that, but our AI tempo has been updated to be one of the best in the market, allowing you to always hit green shots all. If you guys want to get the script, all you have to do is go over to sosascripts.com. This is our official site for the SwishLabs 2.0 script. And not only that, but you walk through the entire process on how to set up the script, including video tutorials and exclusive access to our Discord community, where we show you how to set it up on all platforms, including PS5, Xbox, PC, and all other platforms too. If you guys want to watch gameplay of the script, you can by going to sosaclips.xyz. We can't show it on YouTube, as it's not allowed, but you can see the clips there. You can see in our Discord server we have all of the video guides for you to follow, and they are very extensive. Not only that, but if you need help, we have support that will respond to your tickets and can even go into a voice call with you and help you one-to-one. But also you can come to the vouch section and see all of the people that use our script and having success with it, like this guy who is scoring all the points in his game and never misses. And you can see we also got all of these clips of people hitting auto green and stuff in Game Eye, and they share all their clips in the vouch and reviews section. And you can even see other reviews of the script, like check out these members who said our script is the best one they've ever used. So guys, do not waste any more time. Go to sosascripts.com and buy the script right now while you can. Once you're on the site, click the button that says Get SwishLabs 2.0. Then once you click, it will take you to this page, and all you gotta do now is check out Accept Credit Card and PayPal. Then once you pay, an email will be sent to the email you put in, and it will send you the script file, also a bunch of PDF guides that explain how to use the scripts with the best settings and values to use. Here's some screenshots of our guides. Like you can see, we explain how to use every setting in the script. Also, what's amazing is that you will get secret access to our site that shows how to use the script in depth. It goes through every section of the script and shows you how to use it. We also give recommended settings for each position just like this, so you can get a great idea of the best settings to use for your stats and height and type of build. So you're not left confused. A lot of other scripts will sell you the script, but won't even help you on how to use it and expect you to fully understand it. That's why we are different from other sellers. Not only do we provide the highest quality scripts, we also make sure you fully understand how to use it. Another important thing that we do that others don't is that we device lock the script, which means no one could buy our script, then share it with their friends or resell it to others. Meaning our scripts are top secret and no one can saturate it or leak it. So rest assured that if you buy it, you're part of the elite few who get to smoke everyone in the game. And also, we update the script frequently with new features, and also if 2K26 patches anything, we make sure to fix it as well. And for any future updates, you get them for free as long as you already purchased the script. You get all the future updates for free. And you'll be able to download the new ones in the Discord server. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for the best script on 2K26, then grab this today. Go to sosascripts.com and place your order and receive everything instantly to your email. Another big thing you can do with this script is actually win lots of money wagering people on NBA 2K26 and playing in tournaments. I've been doing that, and now make an extra $100 a day just by beating people on 2K26 with my Zen script. But guys, setting up the script is very important, and it's super important that you do it correctly. So once you download the script, the first thing you want to do is make sure that Cronus Zen Studio is updated to the latest firmware on your PC. So you'd have to use Cronus Zen Firmware Update tool, and we have full guides on that inside the Discord upon purchase. Also, another huge thing is that depending on your console, you might need to do a specific bypass method that allows you to use the Cronus Zen on PS5. This can be a bit tricky to get right the first time, but once you get used to it, you'll always know how to do it very easily. So let me show you guys how to do the bypass method on PS5. If you're on Xbox or PC, you don't have to do this. 1. Put the Zen in idle mode. Make sure it shows the Zen logo or stars. No script running. 2. Plug the top cable into the PS5 back port. Top cable to Zen to back USB port only. 3. Connect your controller to the left side of the Zen. Left port only, never the bottom ones. 4. Go to Settings, Arrow Accessories, Arrow Advanced Settings. Find Turn Off Bluetooth and switch it off. If it's already off, skip it. Your PS5 will reboot. 5. After reboot, hover over Turn Off Accessories and don't click it, just hover. 6. Confirm Zen is still on the logo screen. Zen logo or stars, no scripts. 7. Unplug the top cable. Fully disconnect it from the Zen. 8. Plug the top cable back in and hold right D-pad. Hold right D-pad for approximately 10 seconds until you see the Zen spam. Spam equals bypass activated. 9. Bypass complete. Your Zen should now work on PS5. If not, redo the steps. The two things people mess up are not using the back port, not being on the Zen logo before the bypass. 10. Hop into any game, COD, 2K26, Fortnite. It'll work on all of it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoy the script. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.